Planning a move to North Charleston? Don't let packing and moving stress overwhelm you. Professional full-service movers in North Charleston handle every detail, from packing to unpacking, so your move is smooth and worry-free. The cost of hiring movers in North Charleston depends on several factors: the size of your home, the distance of your move, and the services you require. Movers may charge by weight or by the hour. Always compare multiple quotes to get the best value. Local movers in North Charleston offer expert packing, moving trucks, unpacking, and storage solutions. Most are licensed and insured, ensuring your belongings are protected. Choosing local professionals guarantees a reliable, efficient, and stress-free move. The best time to hire movers depends on your schedule and needs. Planning helps secure your preferred moving date, especially during peak seasons. Early booking ensures a smoother relocation process. To find the right moving company, ask for recommendations, read reviews, verify licensing and insurance, and request free quotes. Trusted movers like All My Sons Moving and Elite Movers specialize in local and long-distance moves. Ready for a hassle-free move in North Charleston? Contact our expert full-service movers today for a free, no-obligation quote. Call 1-888-202-0036 or visit our website now.